County, LaPorte, Indiana, and Berrien, Michigan. High wind warning in effect from 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. Hazardous weather, north wind gusting to 50 to 60 miles per hour on Thursday. The highest gusts will be along the lakeshore. Impacts, trees and limbs down with power line damage likely. Difficult driving conditions, especially on east-west roads. Loose objects will be blown around. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ.